Hi guys, today we're going to learn on how to see who shared our posts on Facebook. And in order for us to see who shared our posts on Facebook, all we have to do is to see this video up to the end, and I'm going to teach you. And Facebook typically sends notifications when someone shares our posts, and we may receive a notification informing us of this activity by clicking at the notification. And as you see, here is where we're going to be informed if anybody shared our photo. Like this guy over here shared our photo, which was this one. And then another thing that we can actually do is to check our activity log by tapping on our profiles here and then tapping on the three lines. Then we're going to tap on the activity log, and then we're going to tap on the post here at the left. But on our devices, it comes as public posts, and as you can see, I don't have any for the time being, but if you do, this is where you might see our posts, and we may be able to see who shared the posts that we may have posted. Another thing is to keep in mind that Facebook interface and features may change over time, so it's a good idea to check Facebook official help or support documentation for the most up-to-date information on how to see who shared our posts. And thank you guys for watching this video if it did help, and I'll see you guys on the next video.